Financial Service Institution Bureau. So now the Bank Board Bureau was replaced by the Financial Service Institution Bureau. The Financial Service Institution Bureau will select the chief of public sector bank and the insurance company. So now they added the chief of insurance company as well. Pehle they are need to select only the chief of the banks. Now the bank plus insurance companies. The FSIB will have a clear mandate to issue guidelines and select general managers and director of state-run non-life insurance, general insurance, and the financial institution. Now they issue the guidelines for these insurers as well, and selecting the chief of the bank plus the insurance company. Initially, the Bank Board Bureau had the power to select the chief of the banks only. Now they are included the insurance company as well. FSIB will have a single entity for making recommendation to whole time directors के लिए. These things are important. They will give some of the one point from these things कि whole time director में उनका कोई role होगा या नहीं होगा. Non-executive chairman in the public sector bank is selected by the FSIB or not. Indian private limited companies में होगा या नहीं होगा. Financial institutions में होगा या नहीं होगा. So you need to know the FSIB play a big role in the all these things in the whole time directors, in non-executive chairman in the public sector bank, Indian private limited companies, and the financial institution. The Department of Financial Services shall first carry out necessary modification in the Nationalized Bank Provision Scheme of 19. इसको amend करके Nationalized Bank Scheme of 1970 they amended this scheme and introduced the FSIB here. Chairman of FSIB has approved the appointment of Bhanu Pratap Sharma, who was initially the chairman of the Bank Board Bureau.